Hello my friends, welcome back. The last time we learned the sound S like a snake. Can you make sound with me? S. That's right. Today we are going to learn a new sound. Sound A. Sound A. What is the action of sound A? Like ant. That's my turn. That's your turn. One more time. That's my turn. That's your turn. Okay, we have here two cases, capital and small. Capital, small. And now let's try the sound A on the 4 lines. Okay, so how many lines do we have here? We have here 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, for the capital A, start from line number 3 up to line number 1, down to number 3 again, and put your pencil here on line number 2. And draw a line from line number 2, from left to right. Again, line number 3, up to line number 1, down to number 3. Okay, one more time. Line number 3, up to line number 1, and down to number 3. And put your pencil on line number 2. Draw a line from left to right. This sound A. For the small A, start from line number 2, round to number 3, up, down a small flick. Sorry, one more time here. Line number 2, round number 3, up, down a small flick. What is sound A? One more time, we have here 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the capital A, line number 3, up, so number 1, down to number 3, and make line on line number 2 from left to right. For small A, line number 2, round to number 3, up, down, and a small flick on line number 3. This is sound A. That's your turn. Now write sound A on the 4 lines. Can you please repeat after me? A like ant. Ant. Apple. Arrow. Arrow. Axe. Alligator. And like anchor. Good job, everyone. Today we'll learn the sound A like ant. Next time we will learn a new sound. Stay tuned. Bye.